Aluminum ash is a valuable recyclable resource, occupying a pivotal position in the global aluminum industry, and recycled aluminum accounts for 1/3 of the world's annual production of primary aluminum. In order to realize the secondary use of aluminum ash, we adopt advanced aluminum ash treatment equipment, aluminum ash calcination, melting furnace. This equipment utilizes high-temperature calcination and pyrolysis technology to effectively decompose and remove harmful substances in aluminum ash, realizing efficient processing and recycling of aluminum ash. This method is not only in line with the principle of energy saving and environmental protection, but also opens up a new way for the reuse of aluminum ash.